morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Students, we have done our syllabus and you know that we are doing revision of all the chapters. Today we will do revision of English. First we will do the revision of chapter or poem, then we will do the exercise also. The name of the poem is All of Me. First we will read the poem. You have read this poem in the class also, but then also we are going to do revision of this poem also. Now you can see that here is one child who is talking about himself that he is very special. Why? He is going to tell us in the poem. See my eyes, see my nose, see my fingers, see my toes, see my lips, see my knee. Now you have seen all of me. The boy is saying that I have eyes, nose, fingers, toes, lips, knee, and you have seen all of me. You have seen my eyes, nose, fingers, toes, lips. But you can see that there is no one in this whole wide world exactly just like me. He is saying that there is no one exactly just like me. I am me and you are you. We are special, don't you see? The boy is saying that I am me and you are you. Like in this whole wide world, no one resemble to you and resemble to me. So that's why we are special. Here is no one just like me. He's saying that my father, my mother, my brother all have same body parts. Like all have eyes, nose, ears. But then also we are not looking same. Why? Because we all are special. We all have some qualities, different qualities. We have uh, we have different body shape. Like some are tall, some are short, and there is some difference between size of eyes, nose. Why? Because we all are special. No one exactly just like me. No one resemble to me. So this is a poem about all of me. The boy saying that I am different in this whole wide world. No one exactly just like me. All have same body parts, but we all are different. Why? Because we all are special. Now we will do exercise of poem All of Me. Let's do the exercise. Tick the right option to complete these sentences. First is my eyes, nose, and lips are part of A letter, my face, B letter, my body. Now tell me, my eyes, nose, and lips are part of my face or head? Yes, face. We all have eyes, nose, and lips are on our face. 2 number, my fingers are a part of my legs or hands. The correct answer is hands. We all have fingers on our hands. The third one is my toes are a part of my feet or head. Do you have feet? Do you have toes on your head? No, we all have toes on our feet. 4 number, in this world there is A letter, no one exactly just like me. B letter, someone who is like me. So the correct answer is A, no one exactly just like me. These are the 4 MCQs. You will do it yourself. I have given you revision. So now the next topic is one and many. It is grammar topic. This topic we have done in the class also. I have made one video also and I have sent it to you. Now again we are going to do one and many. If we have one thing, we will say one. If we are talking about one pen, if we have one pen, then you will say pen. If we have more than one, like 2, 3, 4, many more than one, then you will say pens. we will add s to show them many. We will put s at the end of the word. Like here you can also see that in the first picture one eye is written, and the opposite side you can see two eyes are here. Now I, one ey, and two eyes, s is added here, end of the spelling. EYES, eyes. Next is one cat. Other side you can see three cats are here. So you will say, write three cats. You will add s. End of the word. Here are some more examples. One pencil. Three pencils. You can say many pencils also. Pencil. Here also we have added one s. The next is one girl. One girl. Two girls. Two girls are standing. For two girls we will add one s to make many. These are the topics of MCB book. The poem name is All of Me. Now the next topic is again one many. In first picture you can see that one cake is here. On the other side you can see two cakes. For two cakes we will add one s at the end of the word. I have also added CAKES, cakes. Next is pin. Other side you can see that so many pins are there. So you will say many pins, PINS. Add s after the word. Pins, sorry. Orange, two oranges, oranges. Car, two cars. Again I have added one s. Cars. Next topic is from body parts. It is for vocabulary. Like whenever I give you words to learn, बच्चे always learn these words. I am giving you vocabulary words. Please learn and write the spellings also. Okay. So now you can see that I see with my dash. How do you see? Which body parts do you use to see? Nose? No. Which body parts do you use? Very good. Eyes. 2 number. I eat with my dash. Mouth. 3. I hear with my dash. Ears. I breathe through my dash. Nose. I write with my dash. Hand. Which body parts do you use to write? Hand. The boy is showing the hand also, that for with hand we use to write. We use hand to write. Again the same topic, but this topic I have taken from the workbook. You have same topics in MCB book as well as in the workbook also. First is apple. Again we will add s after the words to show many. Apple, apples. Add s. APPLES, apples. Clock, clocks. Umbrella, umbrellas. Bottle, bottles. Book, books. The children says na many booka. Don't use this word many booka. बच्चे say many books. Apple, apples. Clock, clocks. You will add s after the words. Umbrella, umbrellas. After a you will add s. Bottle, bottles. Book, books. Now this topic is from the body parts, and this I have taken from the workbook. So I was telling you to learn these words. Why? If you know the spellings, then only you will be able to do matching. Otherwise you will do the matching of spelling of nose, you will match with ears because you don't know the spellings. If you have learned the spellings, then only you will be able to do matching and you will be able to circle the correct spellings. Understand? So that's why I'm sending you daily vocabulary words. The next is ears, nose, mouth, eyes, fingers. So these are the topics of from the poem. The name of the poem is All of Me. So in this topic we have learned in this poem we have learned one poem with the exercise, body parts, one and many. So these are the topics we have learned today in the class. I hope you all have learned these topics very well, and now you will be able to do these yourself. Thank you.